Hi everyone, welcome to part 2 of our tutorial. If you watched part 1, you already know how to edit your product into a model's hands using Gemini. Now let's take that image and bring it to life. Just turning it into an 8-second UGC style AI ad video using Video 3. First, open Gemini again and make sure you have your edited product photo ready like this. If you are not sure how to do that, just check the links in the description for part 1 of this tutorial. And once your image looks good like this, just download it into your device. Now just go to menu and then click new tab and then tap on tools icon and then tap on create videos with video like this. And then just upload your photo that you just download, and then just write a detailed prompt to guide the AI. For example, I will type my prompt like this. For example like this. After that, just click generate. And okay, like this. Let's play the video.
This scent? It's confidence in a bottle. This scent? It's confidence in a bottle.
Okay, like this. As you can see, the model moving naturally and then holding the perfumes and even delivering the line. It feels just like a real UGC content that you see on Instagram or TikTok. And the results, I think it's realistic enough. And okay, that's how you turn a static AI product photo into a realistic UGC video ad. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!